Really good question.
This is a big one, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, this is probably the main reason.
It may be the biggest.
It's the 300-pound elephant in the room. We have a guy right now that's in a 2024 Lone Star. He noticed his wheel seal was leaking. I said, well, there's a problem. And he just happened to call me because he couldn't get hold of maintenance. He was in Glenwood, Arkansas. And I said, well, you better get it to the dealer. Something fishy going on here. This is the second wheel seal I've heard going out in one of these trucks.
Same truck.
Same mileage, same truck 2 weeks ago on the front axle. So I sent him down to Texarkana, which is the international dealer, 85 miles away, and it was raining. By the time he got there, they said that the vent plug was leaking on the front differential, and it allowed rain to get in and dilute the oil in that front end. It was going to be $16,000 to fix it. Mm-hmm. I had a cow. Well, maybe a calf.
And they're not one to warranty.
No, and they're warranty.
Yeah.
So just real quick, is that falling on you or the driver?
Here you go.
Well,
that's
right now, we've accepted responsibility of that first because that rear end has a 500,000-mile warranty on it. What do you mean you're not going to honor it? So their excuse was because it let water in there. I said, the reason the water got in is that valve on top of the front differential come in screwed enough, and it was in a heavy downpour on his way to Texarkana. Your valve on the front of that thing was loose when he got there, and it's on the report. That let water get in that front differential. That's where the water came from. Mm-hmm. And that's a big issue. Well, that's a fluke. I said, tell you what I'm going to do. I got 10 of those trucks, all of them within 30,000 miles of one another. I'm going to be on the phone to every one of those drivers before the day's out. So,
and this is you talking to the International Service Department?
No, me talking to the driver.
To the driver, okay.
And he was there at the repair shop. I said, I'm not going to let this stand. This truck, this guy's a runner. And he'd been in about a year and 4 months. He'd run 180,000 miles. Great driver. He paid off his first truck, got that one.